Let's do 5 science experiments on sound. Take an empty bowl and wrap it with a plastic wrapper firmly using a tape or rubber band. Place few rice granules on the wrap. Now make sound and observe them, they move slightly. Now place sugar granules on the wrap and repeat the same process. Place oregano on the wrap and observe their movement very clearly. Take 2 plastic cups and make a hole at the bottom of those cups and insert the thread into it and tie each end of the thread with a knot, and to make a hole use scissors. Just take an inflated balloon and just tap on it. We can observe that the sound gets amplified and we can hear it loud. Now we can make a flute using a straw. To make a straw, just cut the extra part as shown. Now adjust the length of the straw to your wish. Now we need to cut the edge to make it as a sharp end as shown in the video. And now our straw is ready. Just remember that we should press and hold the edge, which is very important for us to get the sound.